Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. So we're back again for the second bit, and for this one we are going to be making the tile maps. So let's go into our scene, and we want to go and grab our tile maps, and so we can go and set our tile map and get this back again. You may hear some noise in the background. There's just some people in the apartment. So we want to go and change and set our tile maps to be here. What this is going to do is it's going to create our world, pretty much, or at least the first level. So let's go and take a look at this. When we click onto the tile map itself, we want to go and change these and go and build our own, so we can go and make something ourselves really easily. And we want something. You can make something sort of Mario-ish or Sonic-ish, or anything you like, really. Sort of Mario World, Mario sort of platforms. You can make it sort of Minecrafty if you want to make it Minecrafty. It's up to you. But what we're going to do is very simply build a tile map, use that, and then we need to put the walls in so that it tells our character where it can stand and where it can't. So let's just pop into here, and this is what we get. So we're going to go and make our tiles here. So we can go and show the walls. We're going to change the size of it. First of all, what I'm going to do is just show you can go into My Tiles in here, and then you can hit the plus, which is just here, and you can go and create a new tile. This is quite nice because you can have your own theme, and because I changed the colours before, you can go and change the colours again to however you like into the assets. So I'm going to go and just make a dark blue tile, and I'll just fill this in like this. And what I might do is choose like this sort of rosish colour, and I'll use that as the top, and I'll just go and draw the top like this and create something. In that sort of blocky Minecraft style. That'll do. And then I'm going to choose another colour for the bottom, just to make that darker. And then it's, I suppose, gives it some kind of undergroundish feel. I'm going to call this Martile 0 at the bottom, and that's fine. So once we're ready with our block, Martile 0, good. We are going to use a very basic beginning here, just so that we've got an understanding of what it's going to look like in here. So then we've got this tile map that's going to appear in our game. There we are, but you can see this. And so what we're going to do is have our character. Sorry if you can hear noises in the background, there are some people in the apartment. So we've got our character now, and the character that you can see, it goes through the walls, right? Because we also want our character to have the camera follow them so they know where they're going. So let's go and do that right now. Let's go into scene, and then here it says camera follow my sprite. Of course, this is going to be hops and paws, and we can change it in a second. Oh no, actually Cato, isn't it? It's not hops and paws in this one, it's called Cato. So then my camera now, you can see, follows where my cat's going to go and where it's going to jump to. So when you're playing the game, you're making it, you can see that this is actually not going to be very good because you can't see where the platform is. You need to be able to see where you're going and where your cat is going to go and jump to, or your character. If you decide not to make a cat, it's up to you. Let's take a look at our actual tile map. And so in the walls, what we want to do is go and use these. These are our walls, these blocks here. And when we go and draw the walls on here now, you'll see the difference. That these actually block. These actually block where your character can go through. So obviously we want these to be our platforms. So now we should be able to go and see bits and pieces here now, just as a very simple beginning, because we're going to extend it in a second so that we have an actual sort of long level. And we'll also need to go and put different tiles at the bottom that if our character strikes those, that they lose a life, or they go and restart at a point where you can tell it to go and spawn at. So let's just go and move my character now. So good. So we can go and see that platform now. So we should be able to go and get it over there. Unfortunately, our cat probably can't jump that far later on, but we can always delete it and change it. Okay. So go and build that. You should be at the point now where you can go and make a platform, and then in the next bit we'll make the entire thing. All right. As always, good luck.